Oh man, I just wanted to do a quick video. God, it's a kind of a lovely day today. It's in the 70s today here in North Carolina, Raleigh. It's kind of rainy though, but it feels good outside for a February midwinter day. Yeah, I want to do a quick video before I go see this movie. On my feelings, before I go see Harley, Birds of Prey, the Fabulous Emancipation of One, Harley Quinn. I just want to put my thoughts up here. I'm sorry, I almost forgot that they changed the name of the movie to Harley Quinn Birds of Prey. My thoughts right now are people need to get their fucking asses out and go see this fucking movie. That's one of my biggest fucking mood vibes, everything right now is niggas need to go fucking see this fucking movie. So more movies like this get made. I mean, I feel like, God, Okay, let me do this before I fucking start pouring down. Yeah, my thoughts, man. It's like, I don't want this movie to fail. It's a lot going on with this movie, and it's like, I know. First all-female superhero movie with a woman director, woman writer, woman producer, executive producing. There's a lot of stuff that I don't want this movie to fail. It's like a lot of, how can I say it, niggas out here going this shit to fail, and it kind of just pisses me the fuck off. And it's like, and then you have the failure of the marketing team, and it's like, I really didn't mind the whole title, the Birds of Prey, the Emancipation of One, the Fabulous Emancipation of One Harley Quinn. I didn't mind it too much. I didn't mind the trailer. It was a moment. For some reason, nobody saw the movie. I'm going to see the movie. People saying the title's too long. That Birds of Prey is misleading because the Birds of Prey just show up at the end. I don't know, it's just weird to me. And it just feels like a bump in the road now. Like, you think about it, Aquaman was a $1 billion movie, Shazam was great, Joker, $1 billion Oscar-winning movie, everybody liked it. And then you get to this one, everybody likes it, critics like it, nobody's going to see it. It's not making money. I don't. But then you look at the rest of the slate. It's like, I mean, it's just a sore moment right now because, like, oh, it's a good movie, but nobody's going to see it. It's like, then I hear people like, I didn't know it was coming out. It's like, what is this movie? It's like, and to me, I feel like I want to say they rushed. There wasn't any marketing for it. There's a lot of marketing for this movie. I felt like all the marketing took place like the week of. Like the rest, like most of January, it was like here and there. It wasn't like all over the place like it should have been. And I think they should have done more like TV shows and shit. But I hate that attitude that this anti-feminist, anti-SJW type assholes are like, it's a movie about fighting against men and all this kind of stupid shit that I fucking hate. I'm starting to hate a lot of shit, man, these days. Like, with the fanboy community and the toxicity around it, man. It's like really right now, I feel like I want DC to win because there has to be this next level to this comic book movie franchise shit, and it can't be just all fucking Marvel. God. And it's just, you know, just really okay. It's been like about a day later since I watched the movie. I wanted to let my thoughts just, what's the word for it? Let my thoughts gather, reminisce, beat my meat. I don't know. I'm just saying, I just want to make sure I take in everything from Birds of Prey before I do a fucking review on the movie. My initial thoughts after watching the movie, I fucking liked it. I liked it a lot, really. I wouldn't say it's the best movie, but it was really, really fucking good. What the fuck do you want me to say? Oh man, it was a shit feathering. No. It's really fucking good. It's very fucking delightful and fun and all that good shit. All fucking buzzwords you want to put to it. That's why it makes me fucking pissed that nobody's fucking going to see this movie. It's like, what the fuck? This is good. It's like with Shazam. It's like, why y'all hoes ain't going to see this fucking movie? I mean, I know DC needs to get their fucking shit together and shit, but fuck, man. I hate when good movies don't get money, you know? They'll fucking put money behind mediocrity. I mean, the MCU. But man, I mean, the action was good. I mean, I hate to sound fucking misogynistic when I say this, but if you give me a movie where two women kick each other in the vagina and then punch each other in the titty, you pretty much got my money. I mean, I hate to sound, yet again, I hate to sound fucking misogynistic when I say that shit, or masochistic. But man, there was a lot of fun to be had with this movie. It wasn't anything like the fucking boo-hoo anti-SJW men's rights cocksuckers went on about like, oh, it's anti-men. No, it's not. It's fucking not, you fucking piece of shit. What the fuck you talking about? It's like, I'm not even fucking talking about the plot or anything like that. Harley Quinn was fucking dope. The Birds of Prey were dope. Shit. Black Mask. They played... I don't know if Black Mask was gay or just a rich snob or fucking both. But he was fucking good. Fuck. Richard's ass is fucking creepy and fucking awesome. I mean, there's a lot of shit that I liked about this movie. And I can get where people were saying, oh, it's all over the place in the beginning. Yeah, it's Harley Quinn. She's doing the narrating in the beginning of the movie. It's supposed to be all over the fucking place. She just got her a fucking relationship with Jared Leto. Jared Leto's Joker, I'm sorry. How the fuck she's supposed to be? She's getting drunk, she's doing all this fuck shit. Like, fuck. But yeah, it's a pretty good movie. I recommend it to anybody, especially during this fucking holiday weekend. If you don't have anybody during this fucking weekend, go see the fucking movie and then go to a strip club. I don't know. Get your ass ate. That's all I have to say about that. Peace.